Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting essentials in place and taking the first actionable steps now. Put heavy items against your back near the frame so weight transfers to your hips. Once done, secure them with compression straps. Make sure to layer gear logically. Base clothing and sleeping system low and center, stove and food mid, and rain shell on top for quick access. Try the pack on, tighten the hip belt first, then shoulder straps. This initial fit prevents discomfort as you continue packing. You now handle the complex middle steps, organize and stabilize. Use separate dry bags for clothing, electronics, and food so you can swap items without unpacking. Once labeled, reach for what you need quickly. Distribute weight evenly left to right, aiming for no more than 5 to 10% variance to avoid imbalance while hiking. Make sure frequently used items live in the top lid or hip belt pockets for rapid access. This reduces fumbling and keeps momentum on the trail. You complete packing with final checks and one key troubleshooting tip. Walk for 5 minutes with the full load and reassess strap tension. Once done, tighten the hip belt first, then micro-adjust shoulder straps so weight rests on hips. Secure any dangling straps and test water resistance by packing a waterproof cover. Make sure nothing sags or shifts. If you feel hot spots or pain, stop and move weight lower in the pack or remove small items until comfort returns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.